Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add story highlight on your Facebook, right? So make sure that you're using the latest version of Facebook, and here in the Facebook we have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner. In the iOS you will see in the bottom right side corner, okay? And you have to go to your ID, and after just going to the ID you have to click on the three dots which is on right side, and after that we have to go to the archive. So go to the archive, and here you will see all the stories that you have posted before, right? So let it just load, and here just click on the story archive, and here you can say, right? So just let's say if I want to make this story as my highlight, so here you have to click on the feature option that is on bottom right side corner, right? This star icon. So I will just click add a new feature collection, and just add the title, and you can add the photos, right? If you want to add just a photo to you already you have a highlight, just click on any of this, and after that it will get added, right? So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did like this video right now, subscribe channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.